These two we can see parallelly. Accuracy, first accuracy, the next one loss, next one. I need your help, sir. The next one, second accuracy, the next one loss. Keep on the process goes actually. But Daniel, with splitting, can you please explain with splitting? You already know this. With splitting the data. Good. Can you help me, sir? The data is set validation data. In train data set also, you can see loss. In test data set also, you can see accuracy and you can see Daniel, why? Simple to find overfit. To find overfit or not. Overfit or not. Why? Because sir, running, go to the machine learning. Go to the machine learning, checking training data of that you can use for deep learning. Like, just you can involve the topic name is so called as a validation underscore split. What is the topic name, Sarji? Validation. Same thing like a validation and accuracy and loss. The next one also accuracy and loss. We done this topic. Daniel, are you done? Are you, sir? Are you done actually? So the first one is automatic process. The next one is same story. Like what is the next one, sir? Manual. I heard same story. Go to the Daniel. No. It's not Daniel. Go to the backup. We are here, I guess. Evaluate the model. Good. I'm sure we done. What we done actually? Train and test underscore. Am I done this? We done this. Move to the next one. What is the next one, Sarji? Cheptara? What is the topic? It's not like machine learning. I need your attention. It's not like machine learning. Process is the same, but not cross-val score. But not what, Sarji? Cross-val score. I hope you already know. Cross-val score, which we are using in a machine learning. That function we need to use actually. But in deep learning, the process is quite different. Let us continue. Are you with me, sir? Yeah, good. Can I talk with you? In industry, what is happening, in AI especially? You know about Meta company. Meta, Facebook company. He is planning to create kind of some data centers everywhere. Almost this world is, sir, in upcoming, let me tell you, in this year, only one language, that language is AI. That language is it will become like a common language actually. It will become like a common language. Two friends are get together. Definitely in their conversation, definitely they should talk about AI. Imagine two vegetable sellers get together. I mean to say two vegetable sellers, they're talking each other. They should talk about the AI. Down the line, it takes minimum 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years. Every industry they should use AI. Every industry they should use what, Sarji? Yeah, actually. Then definitely data matters. What matter? Data matter. Facebook company, what they done, they wanted to create a kind of some such a great models actually. Recently, these guys already 800 CR 800 CR package they have given for almost 4 members or 2 members, I'm not sure. From OpenAI company, automatically these guys showed, Anna, we'll give good package, you can work for our company. Yes, those guys came actually. Just 2 days back, what happened, in OpenAI company, Sam Altman, I hope you know. So he's the backbone. Who is the Sam Altman? Don't you know? Oh, sir. Daniel, who is Daniel? Good. Trainer, actually. Good. Sam Altman means not Samantha Madam, sir. Right? Open AI, Sam Altman. So he's the CEO. He's what, sir? CEO. ChatGPT. He's the backbone for creator. On an average, he have written 60% of the code. How much actually, sir? 60% of the code he has written, and for him there is a one more backbone, one team actually. I'm sorry, Mura Mittal, I guess. One more madam. She's a right hand actually, especially. She's a CTO. She's what, sir? CTO. Facebook company offered, how much offered, sir? We are planning to go 8,000 crores of package. How much package, sir? 8,000 crores we are planning to give actually. Can you join in my company? What madam done, we are sorry, rejected actually. Did you understand, sir? And recently I came across, I used to up to date in AI actually. OpenAI company, just to one app is the chat GPT. Like this, they do have a more than 10 apps actually. Currently, they are creating like this. Like this in the sense, not only chat GPT, they wanted to change in every industry. E-commerce domain, yeah, they wanted to integrate. Hospital domain, they wanted to integrate. Just a sample is the chat GPT. They have released a sample. With the sample chat GPT, the whole world is shaking actually. Think about, they are planning to create a few more apps actually. Seriously amazing. Why I'm telling you, sir, important, please make a note. Future of AI. This is really good one actually. Anyway, so if you want, you can think about, Mura metal. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Madam actually. So yeah, who is a Mura metal from OpenAI company, CTO rejected. How much, Sarji? $1 billion, man. $1 billion in the sense, 8,800 crores actually. I know money calculation very well. Are you with me or not, sir? Right? Just to recently happen. Talk with me. 10 hours before actual. So I have read her profile. She's master in maths actually. She's master in maths. Next point will be she's a very good in coding actually. Nothing is there, sir. In future, if you wanted to survive in AI actually, in future, do you wanted to survive in AI actually? Survive in AI world actually. Let me tell you, you should know C. First to C means coding you should have. The next C, you should be good communicator actually. I'm sorry, sir. One more C. The last one is called as a collaboration. Collaboration actually. Sorry, I hope you know these are all collaboration actually. I mean, what you have to communicate with the team actually. Collaboration, teamwork we need to do. If you are able to make first point, you should be a coder. You should be coder actually. You should be coder. And even, driverless cars, driverless cars, driverless vehicles are coming. Two-wheelers actually. Especially, about the Zomato guys, where they are facing issue, if it is a traffic, they are delivering. If it is a very hot weather, they are delivering. But if it is a rain, if it is, that is a problem statement. If it is a rain, delivery boys are stopping actually. Then that is a problem statement. You know about this guy, Elon Musk actually. He came up with one thought. That thought will be, let us create a driverless, what exactly, two-wheelers vehicle actually. During rain also, we will give a delivery. We'll give what, Sarji? Delivery actually. Imagine if AI products are more, indirectly AI jobs is going to create more and more actually. Best example, man, two-wheelers driverless vehicle came to monitor that one AI engineer. Not normal mechanic is required, so normal mechanic is not enough actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I'm talking about with respect to the AI. Then definitely AI engineer is required. Who is required? Make a note actually. So please, these are all sign more AI jobs actually. I can talk more, but we don't have a time. I can talk on an average per day. Per day, I used to read minimum 5 to 10 AI articles actually, so that I can shine. Oh, AI is implementing in this area. In this area, I used to be. Please be shine on these are all things actually. All right, sir. All right. All right. More the discussion. Good packages, sir. You know, olden days, I didn't hear these are all packages for other technologies. AI completely changing the world actually. Back to the session. Thank you. Thank you for bearing me actually. Back to the session. Let us continue the discussion actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Coming to the topic, what is the topic name? Deep learning. Daniel, evaluate the model. Chappan sir, evaluate. I wanted to evaluate the model. We already have seen kind of some splitting the data. In a splitting, automatic splitting, we have seen manual splitting. Right. Let us do manual splitting. Previously, we done with the train underscore test underscore split. Now let us do by using K-fold cross validation. What is that? K-fold cross validation. Yeah, good. By using K-fold cross validation, we can evaluate the model. Let me remind, we already worked on K-fold cross validation. Process is the same. I'm not going back again. How the data fold actually. I'm not going back. Why? Because you already know. It provides very good performance in a model. It splits the data set into K subsets and blah, blah, blah. Finally, it is used to get average score. What score, Sarji? Average. Okay. Let me run the code quickly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good. Can you talk with me? What is this? One more time. Class. Class name is a stratified k-fold. In machine learning, to apply k-fold cross validation, there is a function. Function name is a cross-val score. What is the function name? But in deep learning, no, it's not a cross-val score actually. There is a class. By using importing a class, can you tell me the next step? Object creation. Next one, calling a method. That's it actually. That's it, right? Now, not that much simple. Let's move on. Sorry, I can close this. More AI jobs, sir, in future. I never expected. ఇంత ఇంపాక్ట్ ఉంటుందని నేనే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంపాక్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ కార్నర్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఏరియా యాక్చువల్. ఓ సారీ, హోల్డ్ ఆన్. ఆర్డర్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ బట్ దట్ స్టిల్ ఓకే. I would like to write very quickly. Topic: simple model evaluation. Model evaluation. Step number 1: importing the library. Oh, sorry, we already done that. Let us write here. Importing the libraries. Importing what, Sarji? Libraries actually. Step number 2: loading the data set. Yeah. Step number 3: we are loading by using function, splitting the data set. We know these are all. Now hold on. Step number 3. I need your help, sir. Good, good, good. Trust me, because of these steps, these topics became very easy. Otherwise, you have to remember these are all topics, man. I made it like a subheadings actually. Yeah, Daniel, splitting the data set. Splitting what, Sarji? Data set. What we are applying, sir, k-fold cross val. K-fold cross validation actually. Are you ready? Good. To apply this one, what we need to do, there is a one class. That class we have to import actually. You need to create an object. Let us just try to create an object for this. Hold on, everybody. Good. There is a big process more to the discussion. We need to create an object for this class. While creating an object for this class, it is taking on an average some few keyword arguments actually. First one, n splits. First one is, it is also splitting the data like a fit method actually. Why? Hold on. How many splits? 10. How many shuffle equals to? Make it shuffle. The next one, by default false actually. Make it shuffle. The random underscore state. Same thing like a, in where exactly train underscore, train underscore test underscore split actually. Let me run this code first of all. In future, my idea, till now only general news. Till now only general news. In Kokatpalli, what happened? Am I right? Amirpet, what happened? In future, let me tell you, in AI and in industry, AI, how they are using AI news will come actually. AI news in the sense, Not robo will read the news actually. No, no, no. I'm not talking about that actually. Every day in industry, what is happening in AI? That channel, it will be boom actually. My dream. If you create that kind of channel, it will be why? Because everyone wanted to know updates actually. Everyone wanted to know updates. If you small one thought, if you create a one small YouTube channel, daily you are talking about that AI news actually, it will boom like anything actually. Why? Because even I wanted to know what is going on in AI. Are you with me or not, sir? It will be boom. Good product actually. One thought, man. Just one thought, it will be completely your career will be changed actually. One thought that is really required. What a thought. You understand the dialogue, I guess. I'm sorry. Which movie, sir? Oh, you will not watch movies actually. It's okay. What a thought, what a vision. Ah, hmm. Sorry, let's move on. Sorry for kidding. Good. Move on to the discussion. When you're talking about the k-fold cross validation, first of all, average score, man. What score actually? Then to get average score, we need to store all scores in one list actually. Yeah. Though I'm planning to create a empty list. I'm planning to create what, Sarji? That cross validation scores I wanted to store inside of this one. Okay, Daniel, that's still okay. Move on to the discussion, sir. Wow, this is really very important. Move on to the discussion and hold on. I have one small question for you. Let us stop here actually. Hold on. Hold on actually. Can you talk with me first of all for a keyword, in keyword, and right hand side something is there? No doubt at all that should be sequence actually. For in left hand side, two variables. Where I covered this topic? In Python, where I covered? Very good. Where I covered, sir? Dictionary. Exactly that syntax you need to map actually. If you're really done dictionary practice actually, understanding this example is like this. Where I covered, go to the dictionary. There is a method name is the items method. That mapping is required. If you're able to map, you can understand the topic. That's what, sir. Maybe I'm sorry. I'm talking more out of the discussion actually. In my career, I have seen in my career, I have seen thousands of students, man. Thousands of students I have seen, and even by God grace, I trained very well them actually. I observed one quality. For every student, I observed one quality actually. Change your way of thinking actually. What is that quality? Every student is rush with next topic. Chapan sir, rush with. I mean, every student wanted to know what is the next topic actually. But the point is, but the key is, what is the key? They are not applying what they learn actually. They are not applying or practicing what they learn actually. Best example, if I'm a student like you, I never think about the tomorrow topic. Today I will cross question myself. I already, topics, Daniel done already topics, right? Let me do practice written keyword. Let me do my own example. Apply what you learn actually. That is really beautiful. This is the point I observed. Am I right or not? No doubt at all, you have to accept actually. I know the student psychology. Everyone wanted to know what is the next topic? What is the next topic? When syllabus will be over? Am I right? These are all good questions actually. But let me tell you, please don't rush with the next topic. You have to hold, and but the keys they are not applying what they learn. This is absurd actually. This is absurd. Change your way of thinking, sir. Please don't be rushed with the next topic. Daniel, stop your overactions. Sure, Sarji. All right, let's move on. So maybe I can talk actually, but move on actually. Move on. So back to the session. For loop, train data set and test data set, K folder, please. I have a question for you. K fold is object. What is the split actually? Method. For this method, you need to pass input and output. For this method, we need to pass input and output. Daniel, why? Hold on. This method returns two variable. First variable is called as a train data set. Second variable is called as a test data set. If you want, you can make it a comma b also. That is still fine. That is still fine actually. But ensure that make a note. This method returning some sequence. That sequence you can assign into the two variables actually. Okay. Yeah. Let us keep like a train and test only. Daniel, what is the next step actually? This is really beautiful. inside for loop, inside, we are planning to create a model creation, sir. Please hold on. This is the, you have to think actually. Why? Generally, why for loop, sir? For loop in the sense, I wanted to run many number of times, then only for is required actually. So seems to be inside for, you are creating model in the sense, get ready. You are going to run your model many number of times. You are going to run your model how many times? Many number of times actually. I will tell you how many number of times. Yeah, split method, k-fold object. Inside k-fold object, what is the number actually? Then 10 times I wanted to run. If you are giving here 20, then how many times? 20 times. Why 20 times? Kind of some folds. 10 folds, 20 folds, 30 folds. Did you remember? I hope you remembered actually. Right? Split is nothing but a fold search. Daniel, model I have created. What is the next step, sir? Yeah, good. I hope you already know that. Now, Daniel, can you specify here? Yeah, sure, Sarji. Step number 5. Step number 5. Especially within the for loop actually. Model creation. Model what, Sarji? Creation actually. After model creation, what is the next step? Creating layers and adding layers to the model. I hope you already know that. 5.1. Ante kada? I'm getting leg pain, sir. కాళ్ళు నొప్పి వస్తున్నాయి. Creating layers and adding layers to the model. Okay. Let's do it quickly actually. Hold on. Can you help me? Till yesterday, what I done, sir? Go back here. This code I have written. Layers 1 to equals to, madam, chapandi. Dense, very good. Dense, and here I have created an object. After I have created, what I done, Sarji? Model dot add of. Can you help me? Layers. Now, what exactly we are doing, instead of creating separate object, Daniel, what I can do, I can take this one and I can keep inside of this one. This is absolutely valid actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Are you with me? So the point is, instead of creating separate object, within the add method itself, I can create an object directly. First of all, valid, possible actual. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what I'm implementing here, right? Model dot add of whole object creation. Model dot add of, sir, can I ask a question here? How many layers? By this time you should know how many. 2 layers. Input layer and first hidden layer. Here how many layers? 1 layer. Second hidden layer. This is what layer? Perfect. You guys are very good in preparation. I should say. Otherwise, ముందుకు వెళ్ళలేం మనం యాక్చువల్గా. ఏమో రైట్.